Welcome to my little country kitchen, guys. Today we are going to be talking about the lovely dandelion. I'm going to hurry and make a tincture, and it's literally just adding these dry herbs, flowers, in the jar, pouring some alcohol over it. But I want to talk about some of the properties. So I did a little research in my little herb book that I have. And so let me tell you all about it while I work. So first I'm gonna put these all in here, get rid of all the dust just in case, because they have been sitting for a while. Okay, put that aside. I was just gonna dump these in here, but I think I'm gonna just take the leaves and take off the green stem, like that. So I'm just taking the actual dandelion leaves of the petals of the flower. Petals, okay. So everything is edible: the root, the stem, the leaves, the flowers. And they all have different medicinal benefits, which is pretty awesome. So it's high in vitamins and minerals, of course, like A, B, C, D, zinc, potassium. It's a prebiotic, it's a diuretic, so it can help you detox the liver. It helps your kidney and bladder, UTI support, gout even. Helps your liver, your gallbladder, digestion, leaky blood, helps blood sugar, helps your cholesterol, it's allergies and skin, headaches, warts. So I'm hoping this will help my allergies a lot, because I've been sneezing a lot even though I've been taking my alfalfa and my nettle leaf. Dandelion also helps. Like the leaves helps with, has latex in the leaves, so it can help with warts. That's pretty cool, huh? That white milky stuff that comes out of it. The leaves you can add to a salad. Either dry or you can powder it. And what else? The roots, it has inulin and malin, tannin, good for powder and pills. The roots, really awesome for kind of like a faux coffee. You can do a tea with the roots, especially roasted. I hear that's good. The flowers are good for skin salves. Maybe I'll save half of this for a skin salve. Maybe that's what I'll do. Maybe I'll change it to a smaller jar then. We'll see. We'll see how much I get. Because I don't want to add more than this. Yeah, I'll probably do that. Okay. So you can do a loose leaf tea with burdock root, roasted dandelion, dandelion leaf, beetroot, alfalfa, dried elderberries, cinnamon chips, and nettle leaf. And that's supposed to be all really beneficial properties all together. And the contraindications of dandelion: it's safe even at large quantities. It's safe during pregnancy and lactation, but we recommend not combining with medications unless you speak with someone who understands both about drugs and herbs. I am not a medical doctor, I'm not licensed, I'm not an herbalist. This is just stuff that I've learned on my own. And some people are allergic to dandelion, so you have to take that into account as well. So by picking them in the heat, it tends to make them bitter. The principal benefit, it's prepared for the roots, is prepared for the chicory flavor. And the leaves can be more potent in the spring, and the roots a bit stronger in the fall, but any time is fine for either. And my friend brought me a whole basket. You know you have good friends when they bring you dandelion leaves from their garden. They think tincture crazy, but it's okay. Or when your neighbor just lets you go picking and you're frolicking through there. They're like, yeah, pick my weeds, go for it. I did ask ahead of time if they were sprayed, and she had not, so. But I informed her that Dandelion is trying to teach us something about our soil. So they have a decent taproot, and what it's doing is loosening up the soil, because Mother Nature is telling you that the soil is too compacted. And so Dandelion is in there to do its job, to loosen up the soil. So if you see them in your grass, that would be why. It probably needs some aeration. Let's see, what else? Let's speed this up a little. Not as fast as I Love Lucy, though. So, as I mentioned before, dandelions are a diuretic. Oops. They can eliminate toxins from the liver and help blood pressure. It's anti-inflammatory. So if you have achy joints, helps your liver health. Helps your immune system. It's a good source of vitamin C. It's become good knowledge in times of vitamin C isn't readily available just from Amazon, right? Helps your immune system, helps your skin health, as I said before, acne, aging, and helps urinary tract health. That's one of the main reasons I wanted it, because I do have UTIs frequently. Which is quite annoying, actually, especially when you get the medicine and then you have another problem that only girls get. So, anywho, I'm going to change this to a smaller jar. One more. This is Everclear. It's 95% alcohol. Could have just done vodka, but this was on sale because one of the local, well, the only local one in my area was going out of business. Oops, and this was on sale. The last of them. Just needed to cover them up. Oh, that's perfect. And I spilled. Okay. This I will save for a salve for skin. I can do that later. This time I'm going to put it in a Ziploc because I don't want cobwebs and dust in these ones. Maybe I'll take all the bottoms off like I did. We'll see. Alright, so I just need to put the lid on this, shake it every time I pass by it, keep it somewhere fairly dark. That's making a mess. I need a better lid. Great. Now I smell like an alcoholic. Okay, well, thanks for joining me, and this is how I preserved some of my harvest today, and we'll see if I can get around to the herbs on my grain stock. I have catnip on there. I have like 4 or 5 different kinds of basil, and I want to throw all those in the freeze dryer. Or actually, I'm probably just gonna regular dry the catnip because the kitties love that. It's a little treat for them. So join me next time on that one for, what is this challenge called? Every Bit Counts Challenge. Thanks guys, see you next time, bye. Okay, I found a new hat for my dandelion tincture. Yes, spill proof, has a lip around it. I love these lids. And I just come and shake it every day, and I cover it back up so it's in the dark. Awesome. See what I'm doing tomorrow.